and that is machining the 3-inch plug that goes in the 4-inch freeze tolerant ball valve. We could machine these and pressure test them at a third-party hydraulic burst test, and that tells us where we need to be on our tolerances for the thicknesses and where we put our grooves on the plug so that it performs consistently and what's the word I'm looking for? Predictable. We could predict exactly what it's going to do, and it will always be consistent with the way we have these plugs designed.